Hi, my name is John Shavluk, and I was a Green Party candidate that sued Elizabeth May and the Green Party because they libeled me twice, well, 3 times, as you'll find out today. But anyway, if you go to the Green Party site right now, today is July the 12th, 2011, you'll see in their press releases, up here it says June the 9th, 3:58 p.m., Ottawa. And in the second paragraph here, it says the court ruled that there was defamation in the use of the term anti-Semitic. It was justified under the circumstances, in our favor, unqualified privilege and responsible communication. It also says up top here that the Green Party today received total vindication in a case alleging defamation brought against the party, the Green Party Fund, and Elizabeth May personally by a one-time candidate. This is a complete and utter lie. And now, if you go and click on Elizabeth May's own site, her own page, there it is. This is July the 12th, 2012. She's the MP for Saanich Gulf Islands. You will see in the second paragraph, and again, it's the same date, same time. You'll see the second paragraph here. The court ruled that while there was defamation in the use of the term anti-Semitic, it was justified under the circumstances and fell in the category of fair comment. Again, the complete vindication at the top. Now this line right here, and fell in the category of fair comment, I would direct all of you to go to the actual court judgment that completely denies that they have the use of fair comment. This is the third libel of Elizabeth May against me, and is a complete and fabricated lie. Now, I want to point out in my court case where I sued her, I proved that I was liable twice, but they were able to use a brand new defense that came in a week before our trial, a responsible communication, and I was left with a big judgment against me after they dismissed the case, even though I proved that I was liable twice. I want to tell you that I appealed this case, and I was advised by Judge Lowe, the head judge of these 3 judges, to sue her personally for this third libel, because they wouldn't even look at it. My court case was a travesty, a kangaroo court, a farce, and the average Canadian should know what happened to me, especially the people of Saanich Gulf Islands, because this, what you're seeing right here, exists today. It's been there for a year, and it's a complete and utter lie. Unfortunately, we don't have any real media in this country. I just went through my appeals court where I provided audio tapes, internet pages, actual newspaper articles in the newspaper. I provided audio tapes, pictures, proving Elizabeth May's lies in court. I provided candidates that came and testified in court. Basically, the judges looked at me and said, she's somebody and you're not, and they left it at that. The people of Saanich Gulf Islands have to know about this. I'm not sure what's going to happen, but they've got a big judgment against me now, even though I proved I was libeled. They're blaming the victim now, and I don't know what else to do except post this video and try to explain. I've posted other ones. Basically, I would ask that anybody just go to this page and have a look and save it. Because in court, this is how bad it was. They initially were trying to say they didn't even change the press release, and the appeals court didn't even know about it. I had to get into the testimony there to prove that they had replaced the press release by testimony where it showed that they had forgotten to take it down from their mirrored Facebook site. But even then, these judges, after all that, disregarded all that and said to me, well, is there any proof that any media responded to this so-called press release they didn't want to believe? Well, I pulled out a newspaper, 24-hour news from Vancouver, with quotations around the same comment. That didn't matter. As I said, they deliberated for 10 minutes, came out with this pre-written judgment, basically dismissing my appeal, telling me Elizabeth May is somebody and I'm not. Well, people of Saanich Gulf Islands and people of Canada, the so-called great hope for Canada and our environment is nothing but a liar and a coward. She's filed sworn court affidavits that, if you also check my public record trial, were complete fabrications and lies. She was guilty of libel twice, 3 times if you count this one, and the system is protecting her and trying to bankrupt me. I ask any real media to please help and to try to do something with this, and just go to this site, elizabethmay.ca, press releases, Green Party of Canada has succeeded in its case to reject anti-Semitic comments. I'm sure you can find it if you just Google Elizabeth May and fair comment, something that was never provided by the courts. This is a lie, a travesty, and this is going on right now by the so-called Green Party leader of this country. I've been fighting for 34 months to try to re-clear my name. I proved I was libeled. I proved that I was not anti-Semitic. They didn't have any defense except Elizabeth May go on the stand with the replacement judge after killing our jury trial. That's another thing. Elizabeth May's name didn't even appear on the court docket, something I've never seen. They removed my jury trial with a technicality because they knew that it would be exposed. They replaced our judges for every hearing, put us in separate courtrooms. It has to come out what's happened here, people. Our justice system does not exist. There's no such thing as justice. If you should be able, anybody could trace this and track it down and see what happened. But I'm asking for any real media to step in and even just expose this. Thank you.